not heard this.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Hello, beautiful. You are so beautiful. May I know your name, please? Huh? Fine girl. Okay, listen. Money is not the problem. Wow, Cynthia, you're so beautiful. Listen, I lodged around here. Can you just hop into the car? Let's go and have fun around my hotel, okay?
It is ya. Just they play.
My room, okay? Let's have a small time together, okay?
You think they're wise? You are a mumu man.
Womanizer, God don't catch you today.
And look at what Satan is doing to him. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realize it, the better it will be for us.
Cynthia! Who is this girl? Hey!
Oh, not too much.
Why, Riemo? My phone.
They think they are sensible and they keep on making mistakes.
My khaki. Hey! This girl don't chop me. How did I enter this wahala now? Because of this thing. Zubby Michael. This girl, no phone to call anybody now. Ifedi.